Yo, 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 what is going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me on another adventure. As you guys can see, we got the yak all set up already. And I decided to bring it on the water today. Today was a good morning. It wasn't going to be too windy. And I decided, hey, let's get the Blue Demon rolling, baby. Today I am fishing freshwater. I'm back here at the same spot I was in my first video with my brother. I decided to come out and try it again early morning because last time we came around 1 or 2 in the afternoon, guys, and it was really hot. So maybe that's what slowed the bike down. But today we're gonna be trying it here early morning, guys. It's about to be 7, about 6:40 something, 6:45. See if we can hook up on a big one. Let's get rolling, baby. Fishing banks, catching tanks. We are in, baby. Let's push it off and let's go. As you guys can see, not too windy today. Beautiful morning, guys. Right now I'm gonna try to be throwing the top water. Got a nice little buzz bait tied on. Let's see if we can get something. Beautiful morning, guys. Beautiful spot. Thank you guys again for joining me. Next thing I'm buying for this, guys, is an anchor. But yesterday my chest strap arrived, guys. I had ordered a chest strap for my phone because I was recording through some type of string I tied on my phone to hold onto my chest. But I ordered a chest strap, and it's way easier now, guys. I'm filming on that right now. That's why I wanted to come test it out. There's a bunch of catfish here, guys. I've been seeing a bunch of catfish pop out. Last time I came out here with my brother, I wore shorts, and like I said, it was really hot. Man, guys, I am like literally burned all from my legs down, from my knee down, guys. I am burnt. I healed a little bit, guys, you know, because it's been already like a week or two. But my legs are peeling. So today I was like taking pants. We learn as we go, guys. We learn as we go. Oh, guys, we're having a little trouble locating them, but don't worry. We're gonna keep going until we find them. Cause I'm gonna find them, guys. Trust me. This spot holds some nice bass, guys. I guess it's just finding out what they want to eat. Trying to get them to hit is the hard part. Ooh, guys, there's some garn here. Imagine we get a garn from top water. That'd be pretty sweet. Morning. No, sir, not yet.
Are you trying to catch bass?
Yes.
I think you catch them on the bottom.
On the bottom?
With a green worm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have a green crawl. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of turtles in here.
Well, have a good day, man.
Thank you. You too. Well, guys, we didn't really have that much luck today. I'm still out here though. Yo, what's up, everybody? Well, this morning we couldn't get on anything, so we're out here in Brownsville. My wife had an appointment, and I decided to bring her with me and my beautiful daughter to come try to catch on some big monsters. Let's go, baby. Okay, guys, I'm back at that spot of my second video. I don't even remember where I caught that big bass that looked real skinny. But back here, look. I didn't even know he was on there, just saw my line taking off. Baby bass. I'm telling you guys, it didn't work for any sizes. Let her touch it. Now you want to touch the bass? Little guy. We don't always catch big ones. Yeah. Man, guys, I didn't even know he bit. I got stuck in a tree and he attacked it and I saw my line taking off. Thank you guys again for joining my channel, for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. On to the next one, guys. Till the next video drops, we'll see each other again.